Hey guys, and welcome to our chicken coop. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of our Omlet auto chicken door. The door comes fully assembled and ready to attach to the coop. The control panel is easily mounted using the mounting bracket and 3 screws. The wires were attached to the coop easily using a staple gun. We really like that the percentage of battery life that is left is displayed on the screen. The battery should last 4 to 6 months. There are 3 options: manual, timer, and a light sensor setting. We use the light sensor setting and you can easily adjust it as needed. This door can be mounted either way, opening left or right. Make the coop opening the same size as the auto door opening. The door is attached using 4 screws and threaded brackets. The installation was incredibly easy. We researched other options such as the string and pulley system. We really wanted a door that could not be pulled open once it was shut. This door has a powerful motor and metal gears. This is the coop light. The coop light helps to encourage our chickens to go into the coop. Our chickens go into the coop on their own. This is an extra option that you can add. We really like the safety setting sensors that work like an elevator. They detect if any chickens are in the way of the door. If it detects a chicken, it will automatically close again. So the pros are that it's very easy to install, battery powered, that displays the percentage on the screen. It operates by light or timer, and we really like the built-in safety sensors. The con was that it was a little bit pricey, but it's worth it in our opinion. We can go camping and know that our chickens are safe inside. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.